Welcome back, everybody. So we are off on another day trip today. We're gonna go, I think it's down in Sussex in the UK. So make sure you grab yourself a cup of tea or coffee because we have not been to this place before. We haven't been to this place before. But anyway, so I'm gonna take you with you guys. Well, we're gonna take you with us, guys. So let's just do this.
Guys.
So we had to take a train from London St Pancras. Unfortunately, there was no direct train, so we had to change to Ashford International. And it took us over an hour. So Rye is down actually in the coast of East Sussex. So when we arrived, we wanted to go to Camber, as well. It's a very popular holiday place in the UK. So we decided to take a bus. There was a bus stop just outside the train station. And I think it only took us about 15 to 20 minutes to get to Camber. This was a very, very hot weekend in London. But when we got to Camber, we were actually quite shocked. Going down to Camber was beautiful. But you will see, Camber was absolutely freezing. Hello.
Discover this weather.
Camber stones.
Yeah.
What Camber stones? Yeah. Come on, Az, you can do it! Come this way. It's less steep. Oh yeah.
I didn't like climbing that one.
We'll get to that path over there, and that there takes us out to the road there where the bus stop is. That there, I think, is the bus stop.
She's naked. Which way is down there?
Yeah. Right.
So these are the sand dunes of Camber Sand.
There's a lot of sand in that.
I think all of our shoes as well.
And where are the souvenirs?
But we are looking. I think this is probably going to be all leading to the other shops now.
Oh, that's really
Oh, Ella, have you seen this? This is like the shells.
That is really nice.
Probably homemade, you know.
Yeah. I would never paint a rock unless I got permission to buy the rock.
Yeah, you know Mermaid Street. I told you about the Mermaid Street
No, you didn't.
yesterday. No, to Daddy. And we are reading about what to see in Rye.
Good.
Wow.
I was trying to keep my eyes open. right down that
Walk
way.
corner. You reckon it's private property? It might be.
No.
Walk corner.
The buildings are, but if you go down there,
Yeah, let's go down there.
then we come back down.
Oh, that's a good dolphin one.
One of your friends. Some nice views going to be from taking from here.
I don't need to take a picture of this bit. There's got pretty flowers over there. Nice trees.
Oh, there's a hotel up here.
That's a good one. How do you do a dolphin sound? Let's sit here.
Scaffolding. Very traditional.
Nice.
Are there benches?
Why we just sat down? Go with mummy, I want to take a picture of you and mummy.
That was 30 minutes.
That was 5. Kind of like
Quaint. Cute.
yeah,
Stylishly cute, I would say.
stylish, old stylish.
Oh, yeah, I've had that.
Back round.
Let's go around here, I think. Around, we might be able to go around the church. We probably can go across
Oh,
here.
we can go through here. I think it's going on in spring.
What I noticed though, that in Hungary, we don't really bury with together with the church. Like what I mean is like we don't have like church is not part of cemetery or. There is definitely a lot to see in Rye. I think we're gonna be back here because I really want to check out the town a little bit more. Ella had an encounter with a seagull in Camber. The seagull licked Ella's ice cream. Well, it was a memorable experience and I think it freaked her out a little bit. But so we just pretty much spent the afternoon walking around in Rye and just soaking in the sun. But I definitely recommend it. There's so much to see. It's a very peaceful little town and it's very tranquil. And yeah, it's just amazing. I actually preferred Rye to Camber. Camber was a little bit of a letdown. Maybe if the weather was a bit better, it would have been different. So this is the museum. There's a lot of information. I think it's quite a small one, but it seemed very, very interesting.
I think the river leads to.
I think so.
What about the Arctic?
Probably, yeah. Not many though. To the right or to the left? To the left. To the left, yeah?
No, actually, yeah, that'll take us there.
Oh, it's nice to have this little breeze. Hello, your friend is back. You see the little dog in the bag? Yeah. Railway and bus station to the right, by the way. You see this? If the sign is accurate, that is.
I'm more curious. I'm curious, Avenue.
I don't like these quiet cars. Oh, look at this old car. That is an interesting car.
You would text me.
It's an unusual car.
That's
Yeah.
Right, if we stop one moment, let's just check and see
one moment.
where we want to go.
Oh, I would love to go into the shop. So it's time to head back home now. We had an absolutely amazing day. Hopefully you guys loved the video as much as we loved our day out. We can't wait to see you in the next adventure.